Have you ever seen a motorhome so massive, so luxurious, and yet so impractical that it feels more like a moving palace with shocking secrets than a vehicle? Today, we're revealing the shocking facts about this extraordinary motorhome that you've probably never heard before. Some of these facts will amaze you, some will surprise you, and some might even make you question whether owning such a giant mansion on wheels is worth it. Get ready. Because this is not just a tour, it's a truth reveal. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, it looks like a dream. Arched windows, golden accents, balconies, a cab that blends seamlessly with the body. But here's the shocking fact. This motorhome is so tall and wide that it cannot pass under certain bridges or through many tunnels. Owners often have to plan routes carefully, avoiding underpasses, because the sheer size makes it impossible to fit, and the weight. It's so heavy that some smaller roads and bridges legally restrict it. Imagine buying a motorhome that looks like a palace, but realizing you can't even take it everywhere you want. Now let's talk about maneuverability. This motorhome is so long that turning it on narrow roads or parking it in regular RV spots is nearly impossible. It requires special parking areas, and sometimes even escorts for city driving. That's not convenience, that's a challenge. And while it glides beautifully on highways and crowded streets, it becomes a nightmare. Luxury comes at the cost of practicality. Step inside, and the shocking facts continue. The TV lounge looks like a cinema, with velvet seating and ambient lighting. But here's the catch. The ultra-thin LED TV and sound system consumes so much power that without a generator or external supply, you can't run them for long. Owners often complain about the energy drain, especially when parked off-grid. So while it feels like a theater, it's also a constant battle with electricity. The bedroom is romantic and royal, but here's another fact. The bed is wider than most hotel king-size beds, which means replacing the mattress or bedding is nearly impossible. Everything has to be custom-made, costing thousands of dollars. And those velvet drapes, they look beautiful, but they trap dust and require professional cleaning. What looks like elegance quickly becomes a maintenance headache. The kitchen is stunning with marble countertops and gold-trimmed cabinetry, but marble is heavy, and combined with the appliances, it adds hundreds of pounds to the vehicle's weight that reduces efficiency and increases fuel consumption. And the refrigerator? So large that it alone costs more than a small car. Imagine paying thousands just to replace a fridge in your Martyr. The balcony-style sitting area is breathtaking. But here's the shocking truth. When the motorhome is moving, it's unsafe to use. Regulations require it to remain closed, meaning you can only enjoy it when parked. So while it looks like a dream feature, in reality, it's limited and impractical. It's more for show than for everyday use. Now, let's move to the cockpit. It looks like a command center with plush leather seats and panoramic views. The windshield is so massive that cleaning it requires special equipment. Regular car washes can't handle it. If it cracks, replacing it costs tens of thousands of dollars. Driving feels powerful, but maintaining it feels like owning an aircraft. Performance dash-wise, the motorhome is strong, but here's another shocking fact. The fuel consumption is enormous. It guzzles diesel at a rate that makes long trips extremely expensive. Owners often spend more on fuel than on accommodation if they had stayed in luxury hotels. And because of its size, not every gas station can accommodate it. You can't just pull in anywhere, you need special truck stops. And let's not forget the brand behind it, Kenworth. Known for durability, yes, but this design pushes limits. The shocking fact is that while it's built like a palace, it requires constant maintenance. Tires alone cost thousands each, and with 6 massive wheels, replacing them is a fortune. The more luxurious it looks, the more expensive it becomes to keep it running. Celebrities may be drawn to it, but even they face the same issues. Imagine Cristiano Ronaldo buying one, only to realize he can't drive it through half the cities he visits. Luxury attracts attention, but it also attracts problems. Owning this motorhome is less about convenience and more about making a statement. So now you know. Behind the golden shine and velvet interiors are shocking facts that most people never hear. It's beautiful, yes. It's luxurious, yes. But it's also impractical, expensive, and filled with hidden challenges. That's the truth about this palace on wheels. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed discovering these shocking facts, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, which fact shocked you the most? Would you still want to own this motorhome after hearing all this? Would love to know your thoughts. Until next time, take care, travel smart, and remember the road may be yours. But the facts matter too.